So, this is Cutie the kitten, and she is very cancerous. Now, this is not made to bring hate to her. I just think that this is very cringy. Like, oh my god, just look at this. Look at this. Like, then we kiss. Sans gives me a flower crown, then we kiss. Like, oh my god, I love Sans. He's so perfect for me. Like, just stop. Like, he doesn't even have any pupils. Then we kissed each other. Then we kissed each other. Like, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Jesus Christ. No, I don't want to watch that. Like, jeez. My overworld theme. Stop. Wait, look at this. Look. 18 seconds. No, wait, 9 seconds. I mean, like, what is this? What? Like, why are you doing this? Are you ready? Yes. What the heck? Ew. That's disgusting. Like, that's ew. Mm-mm. Ooh, what is this? Oh, God. Oh, Jesus Christ, no. Jesus Christ, no. Most of them are nearly done. What really happens when Cutie gets in battles? I mean, that intro is already cancerous enough. Hey. That's a hater, yes. I hate you so much, I wish you was dead. What did you just say? Your parents never wanted you, that's why you're adopted, you autistic. Kill yourself. ... Oh, Jesus. Like, can you stop? Please. Like, stop. It's time. You regret everything you said. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Oh, I hope that's a hand. I hope that's a hand. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Oh. Very violent. Very violent. Well, at least I think she's left me alone. What the F? Oh my god. Oh. Let's look at the comment section, shall we? I like how you have to point out that she's dead. Like, yeah. Dads, this is what happens when you don't love your daughter enough. Oh my god. These hot guys are my husbands or boyfriends. I didn't even get to see that. Sans, Tord, and some guy from Attack on Titan. And this? Just stop. Please. Just stop. What the?
Our fucking teacher said, who's been drawing dicks?
I mean, my true battle theme. I'm not gonna watch that because I don't have minutes to waste. But, yeah. Boy with no neck gets... Okay, whatever. I think it's roasted. Yep, it's roasted. Okay, what? Sans is triggered. Why the videos with me talking are deleted? Oh, wait, I didn't mean to press on that. Dang it. My Undertale ships. my undertail shits. Like, oh my god. Well, I hope I don't get copyrighted now. Gotta go delete the channel now. My undertail shits. Coral attacks them. Their heads look like mushrooms. Their heads look like mushrooms. Like, seriously. Brisk X chair. What is with their hair? It's literally going through their eyes. I bet that hurts, man. Probably really hurts. Papyrus X Metadon. Where's his face? Oh, 10 out of 10. Alphys X Sunday. I mean, this one's fine, but Alphys looks like she needs therapy. Like, going on. Luckily, I saved. Oh no. Please tell me it's not. Oh, yep. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. It's time to stop. Just stop. Please. Sans. Okay. Sans. Okay. Yeah. It's Sans. It's Sans. It's a skeleton. It's a skeleton. It's a freaking skeleton. Sick obsession meme. No. Oh. Me and Sans hate minions. Wait a second. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this here because I have had enough cancer for today. But yeah, I know I have no subscribers, but please subscribe to me. I need subscribers. To be honest, I don't really care if you subscribe or not, but I just want you to subscribe because I'm lonely, okay, and I don't even have a Valentine yet, and there's like 2 days until Valentine's Day, and I don't have a Valentine yet. So, please subscribe to me. I love you. Goodbye.